amariganio ya borokibwa aba grade ya 10 nigo bono aisire goika omwerio nonye nabo nigo omuchando munene bwo kubura kwa baorokia abo bagochigosomi abana ba grade ya 10 ogenderete koreta obwoba obonene egati ya baibuli abaorokiwa na boigo abaoroki bandi ekiombe egia KUPPET nigo bono giatebire buna onye serikali terigo chikwimukia egetambokero kia bwango muno nigo aborokiwa barachi gochandeka muno na kuburwa abaorokia abo bagochiko basomia.
We want to ask the government to up their game, equip the schools, especially the aspects of the skills that they are going to learn. Another issue is about the letters of placement. The student receives the letter, but there is no specific area that the letter says that this student shall go to. However, as the parents take their students to school, they will definitely decide whether it is the STEM pathway or the art and science section.
Most schools have been allocated to offer certain pathways, for example, social sciences. But you find that in those schools, they don't have facilities which will enable those students to run. Like now you find our school has been given a combination of music. There is no teacher for music, electricity, there is no those facilities which will enable the student to run well.
I want to pass this message across to our drivers. Please let us be very careful as we drive. Let us stop drinking. They take our vehicles for service. To the parents, please, when you take our children to the stage, make sure that you don't put them in vehicles that are already full.